Wait lang.
Relax lang tayo.
Uy, si Attorney Delgado.
Ma'am, una sa lahat, ma'am, happy birthday.
Thank you sa inyo lahat, to everyone celebrating my birthday with me today. Thank you. Of course, for PRRD to come home and for him to have more time with us.
Kumusta po pagpasok mo sa loob? Today is your birthday, together with your father.
Yeah, so when we went in, they sang a happy birthday song to me, of course, and then we started with a prayer. Si PRRD led the prayer today, so ayun, that was nice. And ayun, the same thing we talked about, some family situations, and I asked him if he was okay. If he's okay, then he said, no guts, no glory.
Meron po bang birthday wish sa former president po sa inyo?
Sorry?
May birthday wish daw.
Birthday wish po.
Si President sa'yo.
He only wishes me one thing, eternal happiness. As always.
Ikaw, ma'am, gusto yung wish ni mo?
For him to come home.
Yes, of course.
May magandang ginawa para sa ano, siya daw yung, yun daw yung nandun sa loob. Sabi ko, that is also my question. But I believe that maybe ganun yan eh. Pag may tanong ka minsan, di ba, sa buhay mo, minsan ang sagot ng Panginoon, it will be, because di ba, ilan ba? 1,000 years is one day sa Panginoon. So, ang sagot niyan, years pa. So,
What do you mean by nandun po sa Senate yung ano? Yung binabanggit niyo po?
hindi, sabi niya, napapatanong kasi siya. Bakit kung sino pa daw yung may matinong ginawa para sa bayan, yun daw yung nandun sa loob. Sabi ko, pareho tayo ng tanong. Actually, tinatanong ko ang Panginoon. Pero ano yan, alam mo, parati naman natatalo ang mas kadiliman sa ano eh, kabutihan mag-iiral.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
May the Lord
God bless you.
May
the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God, may the Lord God, may the Lord God bless you.
Sabay-sabay, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
More blessings!
We love you!
We love you so much!
Yeah! Wish!
Wish your birthday. Your father goes to home.
My wish
Go na!
for PRRD to come home.
Thank you, ha?
Ma'am, initiative po yan sa nagkita-kita dito. Buti at nagkita-kita at may lesson tayo.
Bubuksan ka po, bubuksan ka po.
Dok, napaisa ka po they set up a meeting.
May lingkuranan. Napay lingkuranan ni Dok. Wala na ilaing po ang lingkuranan.
You're here with your wife?
No, the wife working.
But you're here?
I'm here. Actually, I have been.
Thank you, Ma'am. I did not use this one, I used my phone. Thank you. I will get some water.